You can see this. Oh, it's raining. Everything is cloudy, really cloudy. And a lot of rain. You can see how is the floor, the wind. It's not so clear. But it's rain. Oh, I think I'm gonna fall down. I need to take care. I love you, baby. I really love you. And I hope you can understand me. The only thing I want is you. I only want you. I don't know what can I do. I would like to be the best. And I would like to be the most beautiful and most smart. But I can't be this. I don't know how can I do. What can I do for this? I don't know. I don't know. You can see this car? You take care about me. Don't worry. It rain a lot of. I love you, baby. When I hold your hand and walk with me, I need you. I really need to be with you. I'm so sweet, baby. You was knowing me. Sometimes when I'm scared, when I'm afraid, I feel really helpless, so confused, so lonely even be with you. I feel like this. It's the way to feel this. I would like you to understand me. Sometimes you are so hard, honey. I think you are warrior, so I understand you, but don't hurt me, sweetie. Just talk with me. Don't be so tough. So try to protect myself with stupid words, but I think no work. So I don't know what can I do. I don't know. I'm so confused when you talk to me like this. I don't know what word can I say. Yes, you just close your mind. Don't want to understand me, and just continue saying something that is more bad and bad, and I can't stop to feel afraid and cry. I miss you. I really miss you so much. And maybe I can. Oh God. I was walking all this way all the time. And I feel so sad. And I feel that I lost you. I feel this. You can see my shoes. I don't know if you can see my. I don't know. It's so. Te amo. Te amo, bebé.